Today is April 12th and I will be heading down to Tesla to take delivery of my all new 2024 Tesla Model 3. Behind me is a Tesla Model 3 2024, and believe it or not, this belongs to Tesla. This is the demo loaner card they gave me so I can come home, grab my plates, go back there to collect my actual car. Pretty nice of Tesla. Many of you guys have been asking, did I get rid of the Model X? And the answer is no, it's right here. The thing is though, I did get rid of the Hyundai Elantra. I guess I went back to fully electric again. Got the plates right here. We're gonna get inside this Model 3 demo, and then we're gonna drive back to Tesla. I love how this new Model 3 has this carpeted seals around here. It looks really premium. Now this demo one has carpeted floor mats inside of the trunk. I'm hoping that they do come with it, because right now what they got inside here is the all-weather ones, and those obviously do not come standard with the Model 3. Hopefully their carpeted ones do come standard now, because back in the day when I got my 2021 Tesla Model 3, it didn't come with any floor mats, not even the carpet ones. Here it is, all unlocked. You guys take a look at the stealth gray paint color. We've got this metallic in the paint and it looks amazing. There's the wheels with these Hankook tires, the headlights. Thought those were rock chips for a second. Yeah, the paint's looking good. I will be having a paint protection film on this car from Drive Protected, so that's gonna look amazing. It's gonna bring a lot of more glass to this car and it's gonna protect this paint. This is a really dark gray, unlike the midnight silver. There's the cargo room, no charger, front license plate bracket, but you do get these J177 adapter right here. Always check your windshield. You just don't really know if there's any rock chips or anything like that. That's gonna turn into a crack. Even though it's a brand new car, it could be damaged. And yes, we do get carpeted floor mats with this new Model 3s, whereas we didn't before. That's awesome. And look at this carpet here. It looks so premium. Headliner and glass roof. Looking sharp. Look at that. The driver's seat. Now I'm gonna go get the paperwork done, get inside the car, get the keys and, well, key cards. And yeah, I cannot wait to get this registered. Also, I cannot wait to protect it. I'm not gonna be driving this car until I have full paint protection film in the front, because loud trucks everywhere. Anyway, so we're gonna protect this front end as soon as possible. It only takes a few hundred kilometers to actually damage your paint from rocks. Like, there's rocks everywhere. Like, this is all on the road and tires pick it up and hit it. They crack your windshield. Like the Elantra I had for almost 2 months, I ended up putting 10,000 kilometers on that car and it had plenty of rock chips in the front end because I didn't put any paint protection film on it. Actually, I had to go get one of these paints from Hyundai so I could fix some of the paint chips that I had on it. In like 10,000 kilometers, the car had a lot of rock chips in the front. And it's officially mine. Here we have the key cards as well as the car. All of the documents have been signed. They are right there on the seat. I did sign my life away. Let's get inside. We do have our own profile right here already. And then if we go over here into the trips, this car has only 10 kilometers on it. And if we go here to the autopilot, we should be also getting full self-driving for a month. So there's all of the settings, and it kind of forwarded from my previous ones. If we try to do anything lower, it says we recommend keeping your charge limit at 100% and charging fully once per week. We've got acceleration, chill, standard, auto shift out of park, navigation. So most of the settings it actually brought up from my Model X, I guess, from the account. If we go here to the controls, glove box, we do have the flash drive, and these new Model 3s have this magnetic one here. I'm like, why is it so hot in here? That's because we have these seats that are heating right now, but we're gonna turn those off. Got here heated steering wheel, turn that off as well. And then we of course have the camera button here. So if we need the camera, we can just do it like this. I'm gonna try to get myself comfortable. All right guys, so time to get going. We're gonna swipe up and get out of right here. Just arrived home with our new Tesla Model 3. It is nice to see it right on our driveway. We're going to be parking this in the garage, paint protecting it with the Drive Protected Defense Plus PPF. After that, then I'll be able to drive the car, because living in this much rocks, like check this out right there, all of that hits your car and your car looks old within like few hundred kilometers. Look at the amount of damage this car paint would have had if we didn't have this PPF. Look at the size of this rock that ended up hitting this bumper. teared off the PPF. There's a lot of rock chips right here, right there, over here. A lot of rocks ended up hitting this car whenever we were on our way to Vancouver and coming back to Calgary during a snowstorm. Yeah, if we didn't have PPF, this car, guys, look at this. It would have been in very bad shape. And right now, the PPF took all of the beating. Again, this color looks so nice when the sun is hitting right there. I mean, the Model 3 in the Midnight Silver is a bit dirty. Well, a lot dirty. And if you look right here, this new Model 3 Stealth Gray, it is way darker and way nicer than this Midnight Silver Metallic. Let me know, guys, which one you like more, but I do like the new Stealth Gray. Now, the car does have a bit of sticky residue right there and there. And the best part with Tesla is I just brought the car home and we are ready to do our first update. That is the best part about Tesla. Your car always gets better. So I'll go ahead and hit install on that update and get this all done. Alright guys, so it is May 1st, 2024, and of course you all know it's Tesla, and they did end up dropping the price. My new Model 3 right now, I did pay $3,000 more. I did go to Tesla for all of your information, and they did end up telling me even if I bought it a day prior or last night, I will not be getting anything. No discounts on extended warranties, no any compensation. When you buy a car and the manufacturer drops the MSRP of the car, your car is now worth that much less plus depreciation. Now, because Tesla did do the price drop, I guess I'm not gonna be getting the new Model 3 Performance. This was their newest Model 3. I didn't think of any price drop, honestly. I was thinking like in the summertime they might do like inventory discount because this was an inventory car. When I was picking up this car, they said like this is the newest one. Like they don't see how Tesla will ever drop the price. And after about a week later, they did end up dropping the price of this Model 3. It is snowing / raining right now, but as you can see, I do have the Drive Protected Defense Plus PPF all installed on the car. We've got the rocker panel right over here, all nicely installed and being protected. The headlights, the bumper. I also ended up putting the ceramic coating on the windows from Drive Protected. It's like the water is just kind of coming off on its own. I have it on the entire glass. I haven't put the ceramic coating on the car just yet. So I really like the ceramic coating that I put on the glass from Drive Protected. They do say it lasts about 3 to 5 years. Drive Protected also has the risk-free guarantee where if you do end up having an issue with a panel while installing the PPF, you will be able to send them a video or a photo with the issue you're having, and they'll go ahead and send you a replacement for free. You just have to pay them the shipping. But there is some disclaimers, as you can see, like if you have some contamination, obviously they cannot control your environment. And if you guys do want to purchase the PPF, if you use my code POGAuto, you will save 5% from your order. Also, Drive Protected has their own training program, so if you buy a PPF yourself, you can end up learning from their training academy on their website, and that way you'll know how to install PPF. Now I want to go back inside the car because it is cold and it's raining / snowing, so let's go back inside the car. So if you ask me when is the right time to buy a Tesla, my answer would be just go buy it right now, because you could buy it today and it can drop price tomorrow at $2,000. Tesla is not going to care about it. But don't buy this car if you have planned, let's say, to get a Model Y in like 2 years. You're just going to lose so much money because it's not just depreciation. Buy this car whenever you're ready, and you're, let's say, saying that even if they drop $5,000, I don't care. Because keep in mind, if they drop the price of this one, right, and I want a Model 3 again in like a year or two, I'm actually saving money on the new Model 3 because the new Model 3 is cheaper. So if I get less money for my car, then I pay less for the new one in a way, if that makes sense. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next one.